This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Ranger XP 1000. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. In the front of the vehicle you will find the headlights, front grille which can be removed to clean the front of the radiator, front bumper, and winch if equipped. The vehicle hood can be removed by turning the two quarter-turn latches and sliding forward. Underneath the hood you will find the pulse bar, PVT intake, engine intake, coolant overflow reservoir, and radiator cap. Moving to the front suspension you will find the shock assembly, sway bar link, control arms, ball joints, CV joints and axle, and tie rod assembly. The brake fluid reservoir can be viewed through the left front wheel well. The headlight adjustments can be found under both front fenders and in the wheel wells. On the side of the vehicle, you will find the cab nets. Once inside the driver's seat, the seat can be adjusted using the lever in the middle of the seat. In front of the driver's seat, you'll find cup holders, headlight switch, spare auxiliary slots, lower storage, instrument cluster with mode and navigation, steering wheel and adjustment lever, ignition switch, and shifter. On the center dash, you'll find storage trays, cup holders, all-wheel drive switch, mode selector, spare auxiliary slots, 12-volt socket, battery trickle charger, and 2 USB outlets. On the passenger side of the dash, you'll see the passenger grab handle, cup holder, an upper storage compartment, and a glove box with a toolkit. The toolkit includes the following: the lower dash and foot area contains lower storage tray and cup holders. Lift up the bench seat to access a bucket holder, storage compartment, battery, fuse box, and diagnostic plug. The fuel cap is located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Tilting the cargo box up will give you access to the spark plugs, oil fill cap, dipstick and oil filter, which can be found behind the rear passenger seat, air filter, and drive belt cover. Moving to the rear suspension, you'll find the shock assembly, sway bar link, control arms, and CV joints and axle. The tailgate can be lowered by releasing the rear cargo box latch. In the cargo box area, you can find safety labels with load and tire pressure specifications, D-rings, and cup holders. In the rear of the vehicle is the hitch receiver. There is 1 grease point located on the prop shaft and 2 on the front and rear sway bars. Reference your owner's manual for grease points on your vehicle. The VIN is stamped on the chassis in the driver's rear wheel well above the clutch cover. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.